Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a BMW X5. First, always make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. This is a crucial step for the ignition system to engage. Then, simply locate the start/stop button, usually found on the dashboard, and press it once. Your BMW X5 should now smoothly come to life, ready for your journey. Your BMW X5 needs to detect the key fob inside the cabin to start. Make sure it's not left outside or in a bag far from the ignition. If your vehicle struggles to start, a low key fob battery could be the culprit. Consider replacing it. For certain older models, you might need to insert the key fob into a specific slot on the dashboard before pressing the start button. This ensures proper communication between the fob and the car system. If your BMW X5 isn't starting, don't panic. First, check your main car battery, especially if the engine cranks slowly or not at all. A dead battery is a common issue. Also, ensure the steering wheel isn't locked. Sometimes a slight jiggle of the wheel while turning the key can help. Finally, a simple check of your fuel gauge is always a good idea to confirm you have enough gasoline. To keep your BMW X5 starting reliably, regular maintenance is key. Following your service schedule helps prevent unexpected issues. Pay attention to any dashboard warning lights. They provide valuable early diagnosis for potential problems. Addressing these promptly can save you from future headaches. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. They are truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.